polite.
Sir, have a seat.
That's not polite. Stop telling me to have a seat. I'm not going to have a seat. I'm not your dog. I'm not your pet. I'm not your son. Be polite. Be professional. Get it in my face like this, telling me to have a seat like I'm a dog. Exactly. I'm calm. I'm calm. I'm polite. But you get in my face like this. And
What would you do if a public servant told you to sit like a dog just for recording in a public space? In this intense encounter, filmed inside a government building in Bronx, New York, activist Good Guy Activism is confronted by multiple employees and officers for simply exercising his First Amendment right to record. The official escalates the situation by raising his voice, moving close, and repeatedly demanding, "Have a seat." The activist, standing firm, fires back, "I'm not your dog, I'm not your son." The officer never identified himself, but the female officer later seen is Officer Bergos from Parkchester Police as identified at. How far can intimidation go before it becomes unlawful, and do feelings of discomfort override constitutional rights? If you're watching Mr. Right ID Refusal, make sure to subscribe for more breakdowns of public accountability. All credit to the original channel, Good Guy Activism. Go follow and support their work.
So what are we photographing? So the Facebook is 4, that's why I said 5.
Good Guy Activism records quietly in a publicly accessible lobby when staff approach and claim the area as private property. None identify themselves, and no posted signs restrict public entry. The employees demand justification for filming, but he correctly asserts that under the First Amendment right to record, a citizen may document officials performing duties in public spaces. When asked if he is detained, the staff cannot articulate reasonable suspicion or any Fourth Amendment basis. Their discomfort does not convert the lobby into a restricted crime scene, nor does it create lawful grounds to compel answers. The auditor's refusal to answer questions remains lawful, while the staff's insistence lacks statutory authority and demonstrates a misunderstanding of public access law.
I don't really wish to speak to nobody.
Alright, but I didn't know what you're doing here.
Why?
Because it's security.
What?
You have security here. If you're not here to talk to any of these, to talk to the management, you have no business here.
That sounds like an opinion.
No, it's a fact. It's a private property, bro.
The public comes here, right?
They come through the front yes, if they have an appointment to meet with
There's a sign right there that says visitors. Past this point is authorized personnel only. This is a public area.
I'm aware of that. What do you?
Yeah.
What do you mean? They're recording this stuff here. It's
I'm okay.
We're just basically wondering.
If you say so. It's not true. Can I help you with something?
I'm here to know what you're doing. I got dispatcher that is saying to give a description of a meal. With your description, that's just recording in here. Making you feel uncomfortable.
Okay. Do you witness a crime or something? Am I detained?
I'm just asking what you're doing here. That's it.
Am I being detained or something?
Am I detaining you? No.
All right. So have a good day, okay?
So what are you doing here?
Have a good day.
Can you just tell me what you're doing here?
No, you can have a good day. I told you I don't wish to speak to nobody.
So then what are you here for? You don't want to talk to nobody?
Well, I don't really wish to speak to you.
You live in Parkchester?
Do you?
I work here.
Oh, you don't live here though?
What's your business here, boss? You over here playing with me, but I'm just trying to know what you're doing.
You came up to me, ma'am. I didn't come up to you.
Business is here.
So maybe you're
security upstairs. They called me to find out why you're here.
Okay.
That's my job. So why are you here?
I don't answer questions.
So you're just here just to record random people and do nothing? That's what you want to do with your life?
I'm minding my business. I didn't speak to nobody. So what I'm doing is my choice. No, I'm okay. You can have a good day.
You got the workers feeling uncomfortable, boss.
It's not my problem. It's theirs.
All right, but what's your business?
You're making me uncomfortable. You're making me uncomfortable, especially with that gun on your hip. It makes me uncomfortable. It still makes.
I have training to have it.
I have training to have this camera. It still makes me uncomfortable. But there's nothing you can do about that, right?
I just want to know what you're doing here. they're trying to
You can
work,
see
so
what I'm
just
doing
hear
here.
what you're- yeah. you're
You said what I
recording
was. You said I was doing
All
here.
right, so what is your purpose of recording here?
Do I need a purpose?
Yes, why would you just be in a regular area recording people?
I don't wish to explain my purpose. I just wish to exercise my rights peacefully that you swore to protect.
Okay.
Remember?
I just
Remember
need
you
to know
swore an
what
oath?
you're doing. Boss, what are you doing here?
You know what I'm doing. You said what I was doing.
Why are you recording? What is your purpose? What help can we assist
Do I
you?
need a reason why?
Yeah, I wouldn't want someone just randomly recording me while I'm working and stuff. I feel uncomfortable.
Oh, okay.
They're here to work. If we need help, we can assist you with that. But you're just
Yeah.
literally just here recording a vending machine, recording these
Is
people
something wrong
walking
with that?
around.
Is there something wrong with that?
Boss, if you need help, you can literally go upstairs. If you need a room release something, that's what this
Right.
department's area
Right.
is for. It's
Right.
not just for people to wander
It's a
here.
public area, regardless. It's a public area. The public is allowed to come here. If you don't witness a crime, I'm not being detained, then I don't wish to speak to you. Okay? What's your name and badge number? Are the vending machines uncomfortable too?
Why do you feel me that you have to follow me while I'm talking?
Yeah, make sure you don't lie over the phone. I can't hear you. What you said?
Why are you recording inside people's cars? That's people's property. You have the right to do that too, you feel? Like you just
Yeah, because I'm in
what?
public.
But for what? What are you doing?
Why you want to know all my reasons for?
You're doing weird
You got the flower of life on you? You got the flower of life on you?
I don't know what you talking about.
You don't. It's right there on your arm. You don't see it? You got the flower of life. Look, I got the seed of life. True, that's a spiritual tattoo. Have a good day.
I haven't seen you in a minute. How you been?
Hey, what's up? How you doing? Good to see you. All is well. Just taking pictures.
Tension rises as staff continue challenging Good Guy Activism's presence in the building. They claim the space is private and unauthorized without appointments, despite visible signs stating visitors are welcome. No trespassing or authorized personnel only signs are present. The auditor asserts this is publicly accessible property, and unless marked otherwise, his presence and filming are protected by the First Amendment. The employees attempt to define access by policy, not by law, showing a common clash. Policy does not override constitutional rights. No officer has appeared, and no reasonable suspicion has been articulated. There is no crime scene, no description, and no lawful detention. Attempts to intimidate or remove a peaceful recorder violate the standard of public access law.
Okay, thank you. Can you write the phone number down for me?
Sure.
Thank you.
Could you sign in, please? Excuse me, I asked you once again, it's a private office.
What's that mean?
It means you don't have access to that area.
I'm not in there.
Okay, but you are.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm here in the public lobby.
And I'm getting you the information you
So
want.
go ahead.
Step over here.
Go
Yeah,
ahead.
You
thank
can
you.
step in the middle and he can talk to you.
Thank you. I
in the
appreciate the
window.
permission.
You can step in the window.
I appreciate the permission, ma'am. I didn't needed it.
No. It's not
Excuse me,
permission. We're telling
excuse me,
you.
excuse me.
What's wrong with
I
you?
asked you 3 times to not record, that's a private office.
Okay.
Okay, you can have a seat and I'll help you.
Thank you. You can have a seat too.
Okay, you're a funny guy, I like that.
Right.
Have a seat here.
Have a seat here.
Okay?
What is he
See how that
doing,
works?
Byron?
What
Have
does that
a
work?
have a seat, sir.
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you to write the number
Okay,
down for me.
So have a seat here and I'll help you.
Have a seat, sir. See how that works?
Did you sign in the book?
I don't sign it nowhere.
Okay, then you have to leave, sir. It's
Write
not a
the number
public
so I
area.
can leave.
It's not a public area.
Sergeant, is this a
Okay.
public area? This,
No, it's
is this
not.
where you service
This
the
is-
public?
Yeah, and you're not here to be serviced.
I just asked you 3 times
Okay.
to write the phone number down for
Excuse
me,
me, sir.
but you'd rather be in my face. Just the phone number, that's it. He'd rather be in my face telling me to sit down like I'm a dog. I told him the phone number. It's public information in case somebody wants to file a complaint.
What kind of number you
Just a phone number, just a general number in case somebody wants to file a complaint. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just getting public information, but rather than writing the number down, he'd rather be in my face, treating me like I'm a dog or something.
There you go.
There you go.
Thank you. What's your name?
Right here.
Okay, I'm gonna be taking pictures, then I'll leave, okay? Can you inform him that whatever I can see from this lobby, I can take pictures of? If you want privacy, you create
Let me
it.
inform you. Okay, this is not a public area.
This is where you service the public.
This is where we service the public, okay? I'm advising you, this is a private office.
It is
You don't have
private.
access to that.
It's still private.
Okay, I'm asking you politely, okay?
You're not,
If here to
you're
help-
not asking me
if you're here to
politely.
help- if
You're raising your voice at me. You're getting this close to my face. You call that polite?
Sir, have a seat.
That's
You
not
want some
polite.
help?
Stop telling me to have a
The
seat.
door's
I'm not
open.
gonna have a seat. I'm not your dog. I'm not your pet. I'm not your son. Be polite. Be professional. Get it in my face like this, telling me to have a seat like I'm a dog. Exactly. I'm calm. I'm calm. I'm polite. But you get in my face like this and you tell me have a seat like I'm a dog. That's unprofessional, especially for somebody that services the public.
What else number you need?
I'm just gathering public information, man. That's it. Like these flyers. Recording. That's it.
This is private property. It's a private office. It's not a public place. You can't go in there.
I didn't go in anywhere.
That's the call we get that you... Was he inside there? You can't...
In here, in this wide open space that says
This is not a public place.
it says visitors allowed.
Confrontation peaks when a building official repeatedly orders Good Guy Activism to have a seat in a commanding tone. He refuses, asserting his dignity. I'm not your dog. I'm not your son. This is not just a clash of attitude. It's a power imbalance where a public servant attempts to enforce control without legal authority. Under First and Fourth Amendments, no officer may compel physical compliance without lawful detention or reasonable suspicion. The use of verbal coercion, especially in public access spaces, borders on police misconduct. The activist remains peaceful and within his rights. Authority figures escalating tension through intimidation reflects a systemic misunderstanding. Public discomfort does not trump constitutional rights.
This is where visitors come.
So go to the office.
But visitors still come here though, right? That's public access.
You cannot be
It's
there.
public access.
Okay?
It's public access. It says visitors right there. I can't go past that gate and I can't go past there. This area right here is public access. It says visitors. Right here, you don't see no trespassing, authorized personnel only signs. This is wide open to the public.
What
I'm recording peace officers in the course of their duty. Through the Right to Record Act, that's a law. Does the public come here to conduct business, ask questions? Does the public come here to ask questions? Okay.
So ask questions, you go in the front and 2000
Man, like if you want to ask questions, you go to the front.
So why does that sign say visitors? The sign clearly says that the public comes
This
here.
is not public. This is not public whatsoever.
It's public
If you
access.
want to come to the front, you come to the
It's
front.
public
This,
access.
if you have a disability, you come through here and use the elevator.
So the public does
You feel
come
me?
in through here.
If you have a disability.
Oh, okay. So the public comes in through here.
If you have a disability.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because they can't go
So
to
the-
the
so
stairs.
the public comes in
So
through
what
here.
I'm saying is that I
Okay.
don't know if you're doing this for content or whatever. But
I'm minding my business. I didn't speak to nobody. Did I speak to you?
This is private.
This
though.
is public access.
We're here working. What are you
Okay.
doing? So what are you
Okay,
doing?
I'm working too. Well, it says visitors. I'm coming. I'm taking pictures. That's it. Nobody asked me to leave. I didn't talk to nobody. I'm taking pictures in a public accessible area. Okay. So the public's not allowed to be back here? I didn't see no signs that say restricted access. It's wide open. Huh? Okay. You guys are peace officers, right? Okay. Are you saying that Parkchester is not public? This isn't. What's your name again? I'm sorry.
I didn't say that. Don't put words in my mouth.
I'm asking you a question.
I always treat you with a lot of respect.
I give you respect as well.
We're very social.
I'm respect. Look at that. How easy was that? How easy? Now, if you see me in there with the gate closed, then I'm trespassing. What's your name and badge, sir? You didn't even identify yourself.
What's your name?
Everybody knows me. I'm Good Guy Activism. I'm Good Guy Activism. What's your name? Oh, okay. You're not proud of your name? You're not proud of your name and what you do? Can you move your walkie so I can see it? I just want to see his name and badge. Yeah, I'm not going to stop you.
No, I just don't want you to get close while I'm...
I'm trying to get his name. Have a good day. Drive safe, okay? If you would have asked me, sir, we're going to close this gate, do you mind stepping out so we can close the gate? I would have stepped out. But there's no sign saying that the public can't go there. Hopefully you learned something today. Appreciate your professionalism, though. For the most part, she was kind of rude. Renting office. See you later.
The same thing again now?
What's that?
Just come in here and record?
Of course.
It's not about to be a thing, bro.
Of course, that's what I do for a living. Yeah. I watch peace officers in the course of their duties.
Good for you.
You know, that's a law that says that. It's called the Right to Record Act.
Well, if you need help, you could come here for assistance. You're just here recording for what?
I'm recording peace officers
But for what?
because it's my right to.
Thank you.
You don't want to be watched by the people? I like your flower of life tattoo.
Good Guy Activism earns a solid A for maintaining calm, asserting rights, and practicing legal ID refusal. His conduct was peaceful and constitutionally protected in Constitutionally Protected. In contrast, building staff and the unidentified male official receive a D for verbal coercion, misunderstanding public access, and attempting to override law with internal policy. Officer Bergos showed brief professionalism, but did not intervene when needed. Citizens must understand that ID refusal is legal when not detained, and discomfort does not justify force or authority. Stay informed, exercise your rights peacefully and legally. Follow Mr. Right ID Refusal for more breakdowns, and support the original auditor at Good Guy Activism. Inst laws. First Amendment, Fourth Amendment, Right to Record Act, Trespass Law, Public Access Doctrine.